Welcome to the spoken tutorial on star animation using Synfig. In this tutorial, we will learn to create gradient color animation, group layers, and star animation. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 14.04 OS, Synfig version 1.0.2. Let us open Synfig. I have created a branch image in my Documents folder. The image is provided to you in the code files link. Let us import it. Go to File, click on Import, select Branch Image. Go to Layers panel, select the branch layer. Now the handle appears. Click on the orange dot and resize the image as shown. Click on the green dot and move it to the bottom of the canvas. Let us now save our file. Go to File, click on Save. I will save the file in the desktop. Change the default name to star-animation. Click on Save. Next, let us create some stars. Now go to Toolbox, click on Star tool. Create 10 stars in the canvas in the empty area above the branch. Go to Layers panel. Select all the star layers using Shift key. Now click on the group icon at the bottom to group them. Rename the group layer to Stars. Click outside the canvas to deselect the Stars group layer. Next, let us create a gradient background. Go to Toolbox, click on Gradient tool. In the Tool Options panel, check if Create a Linear Gradient option is selected. Click the mouse on the top of the canvas and drag it till bottom. Observe a black and white gradient appears on the canvas. Go to Parameters panel. Double-click on the gradient value. A dialog box appears. Observe there are two color stop icons at each end in the box at the bottom. These icons indicate the two colors of the gradient. The left color stop icon is selected by default. Change the color to light blue. Next, select the right color stop icon. Change the color to white. Close the dialog box. Observe the color change in the canvas. In the Animation panel, click on Turn on Animate Editing Mode icon. Go to 25th frame. Add a keyframe in the Keyframes panel. Go to Parameters panel. Click on the gradient parameter value. Change the left color to black and the right color to dark blue. Observe waypoints are created on the Time Track panel. Drag the time cursor between 0th and 25th frame to observe the color change in the canvas. Press Ctrl and S keys to save our file. We need to move the gradient background to the bottom. So go to Layers panel, click on the lower layer button twice. Next, let us animate the alpha value of the stars. So select the stars group layer. Go to 0th frame. In the Parameters panel, double-click on the value of Amount parameter. Change the value to 0. Press Enter. Observe the stars are not visible now. Go to 25th frame. Again change the Amount parameter value to 0. Go to 40th frame. In the Keyframes panel, add a new keyframe. In the Parameters panel, change the Amount parameter value to 1. Go to 55th frame. In the Keyframes panel, select the 25th frame, click on Duplicate icon. Next, go to 70th frame. In the Keyframes panel, select the 40th frame, click on Duplicate icon. Press Ctrl and S keys to save our file. Finally, we will now render our animation. Go to File, click on Render. Change the extension to AVI. Change target to FFmpeg. click on Render. Let us now go to the desktop and play the animation using Firefox web browser. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned to create gradient color animation, group layers, and star animation. Here is an assignment for you. Create a sunrise animation. The image is provided to you in the code files link. Your completed assignment should look like this. The video at the following link summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. Please download and watch it. We conduct workshops using Spoken Tutorials and give certificates. Please contact us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. This is Aarti along with the Spoken Tutorial animation team from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for joining.